Hi DIY fans! As you can see, for this room makeover DIY style, I am in a commercial space. So if you own a shop, a business or commercial space, you'll also want a feature wall that pops, adds interest, has your brand colors, and you can use on social media. This is the end result. Doesn't it look so much better? We made use of this business wall, turned it into something like a signage with the brand colors, and I love it. So I'm using Plascon Double Velvet, 1 liter of paint in the chosen brand color. I'm using Hamilton's paint supplies, and I got all these supplies from my local paint expert store. Right, so I'm using the masking tape and the drop sheet, and I'm basically taping the floor so I don't get paint on the floor and anywhere else where I don't want to get paint on. Masking tape is so versatile and easy to use, so wherever you don't want paint splatters and you don't have a steady hand with the paintbrush, just use the masking tape to get those clean, crisp lines. Getting back to our Plascon Double Velvet Pure 1 liter paint, we went for the color Angela Bay. It is such a beautiful blue and complements the brand colors of this business and commercial space. I've unpacked my DIY value tray set from Hamilton's, which comes with an all-purpose roller, a refill, and here's a good tip: just run a damp cloth over the roller before you start painting to get rid of all that fluff and lint. It also comes with some sandpaper, which is great when you need to just prep the walls before painting. I've wrapped it around a sander's block, and I'm just going to sand where there was previous double-sided tape and some lumps and bumps in the wall that I want to smooth over before we finish. Here is another great tip I like to do that just makes cleaning up so much better after painting, is I just wrap around a plastic bag over the paint tray to just cover the paint tray and pour the paint in. Pouring that beautiful double velvet Plascon paint in Angela Bay, and paintbrushes came with my DIY value tray set, and I'm using the Viva paintbrushes, and I'm just doing the edges, basically painting over the masking tape and just giving good coverage for the first coat on all the edges, near the ceiling, on the sides, and around that window. Once I've done all the edges, I can go in with the roller, saturate it well, and applying the first coat. I've got the ladies here at Next Level EMS to help me, and they enjoyed the painting. And then I could get to applying the second coat once the first coat was dry. Breathe easy, as it virtually has no odor. Quick drying, 2 coats can be applied in 1 day. And as soon as you can, peel back the masking tape. Now I'm in my workshop. I'm just using some wood planks that are the same size as the window. I made a frame and I'm securing them with wood glue side by side to create this like paneled sign, and adding warmth using wood. So I have to finish the wood, and I'm using the Hamilton's professional paintbrush in a 50mm, as well as Plascon Wood Care Interior Ultra Varnish in a gloss. It's a fast drying varnish with polyurethane, and I chose the color teak, and I only applied 1 coat. It has excellent durability and it's stain and mark resistant. Then we could put this on the inside of that window, cover up the window to the other side of the commercial space, and I'm just wiping it down because we are ready to stick some signage on, which you can get any sign made for your business, your logo, your full name. And this is the before, just to recap, and here's the after. That beautiful sheen on that paint just is so durable, it's washable, as well as the color really pops, tying in the color of the brand and the logo and the name. And as you can see, as potential customers are walking by, it's going to grab the eye. And don't forget, you can take photos here and create content for your social media marketing. So remember, if you have a commercial space, that feature wall for your space is so needed. And I'm glad that I could help the ladies out here at Next Level EMS, and we could all roll up our sleeves and DIY this feature wall. Follow us for more DIYs like this one.